Hi, thanks for tuning in to Toysbackzen. I just went to a toy show over the weekend and I picked up this Mork and Mindy figure. This was made by Mattel in 1979. He was pretty dirty, so I just gave him a cleaning. He's kind of wet. I'm going to let him dry for a bit. We're going to see if we can repair some of the missing paint on this old figure. The nice thing about this figure is that the straps on the shoulders are in pretty much perfect condition. And the triangle in the front is in really great condition too, especially the black lines. I think those would be the two things that would be the hardest to try to fix on this figure. So here he is here. He's got some silver, some black, and his hair is a little bit of a dark brown. I don't have colors that are going to be exact, so we're going to have to make the shades that we need to make it as close as possible. So that's why I bought him for $5, is I thought he would be pretty easy to make look brand new. Of course, he's got a bunch of scuffs on his plastic and stuff like that, so he's never going to look brand new, but at least he'll be displayable on my shelf. So I'm going to use some Vallejo paints. These are acrylic paints. I've been using them. I've had them for a while, and I've been using them quite a bit, and I really like them. I'm going to be using silver, brown, and black. So I've got the black here, so I don't need a lot. The silver on his chest, it is quite dark, and I'm sure some of it is just the paint has changed color over the years. But I still want to try to match it as much as possible because I don't want to paint all of the silver on the triangle because I think it'll look terrible. So we're going to try to match the silver. So I'm just going to take a little tiny bit of black and darken that silver a little bit because the silver straight out of the bottle is a little too bright. So let's darken that up a bit and see if we can match the color. Now remember, when paint dries, it gets a little darker. So if it goes on and it's too light, it'll probably darken up just enough to make it look right. I think that matches pretty good. I'm going to paint the rest of it, and it's definitely going to need a second coat. So let's get painting. Okay, let's let that dry, and we'll apply a second coat once it's dry. I let it sit for about 20 minutes, and then I come back and do it. So next we're going to apply some paint for his hair. We're going to use brown and quite a bit of black, because it's pretty much black. You can see that there's a brown tint to it. So I think a lot of black we're going to need. So let's mix that up. So I've mixed the brown and a lot of black, because the hair is pretty black. And I've got a color that looks like it matches pretty good. I'm going to test it first. No, still too brown. Let's put a lot more black in it. That looks better. That's a better dark brown than I had before, so that's perfect. I'm going to finish some stuff on the top. There's not a lot of hair that's worn, but there is some on the back. And another thing I want to do is, these figures did not come with painted eyebrows and eyes. And this sculpt looked a lot like Robin Williams, which was the actor that played Mork. So I want to add some pupils and some eyebrows, and I think it will make his fantastic sculpt of his face come alive, because, well, Robin Williams was really a really animated person. Without those eyes and eyebrows, you can't really see the detail of his face. I'm going to use a toothpick to do that, and it's okay because this is acrylic paint. Once acrylic paint is dry, it will not wash off with water, but it will wash off with alcohol. So if I make a mistake, or if I don't like the pupils and the eyebrows, guess what? I'll clean it off with the alcohol and start over, or just not put it back in. So let's see what happens. And I think that makes his face come alive, and it makes him look better already. I think it looks like Robin Williams. I love that. Here's our Mork figure. He looks really good. His silver looks awesome, and it was very minimal painting, but it really makes the figure look great. And the second coat of the silver looks better now too. I think that the eyes and the eyebrows that I painted in there is a nice touch. And I think he looks fantastic. Looks just like Robin Williams. That's awesome. Thanks for watching. I'm Toysbackzen. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, well, give me a like. If you don't like it, well, give me a you don't like. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Give me a thumbs down if you don't. Thanks for watching, and I want to thank all of my subscribers. I've had an opportunity to touch base with most people that have commented on my videos, and I try to reply to the comment. I just really enjoy doing what I'm doing, and I'm really having a great time doing it. Just finding the time in the summertime. So thanks for watching, and I appreciate it, everybody that's subbed. See ya.